Okay, sometimes when this is what happens, you'll see this and what is it? What do you think made it so bad?
Because you put the pineapple in it.
Do you think the yogurt could have been off?
No, you curdled it with the pineapple juice.
I curdled it with pineapple juice. Morton, you're brilliant. I ruined this with pineapple juice. Dang it, why didn't you tell me I would do that?
Because you didn't wait till I came up for what I was doing.
Oh, yeah, this is curdled. Yep, this, not just this, I have 4 tubs of this, 4 containers of this. Will anything eat this?
You better learn to like it.
I'm not going to eat it. Dang it, that's a whole lot of protein. Wait, here's a piece with a walnut. Let's see. This tastes bad, though. Oh, that's hideous, too. One bite. Martin,
I tasted it earlier and I told you it was sour.
Honey, I ruined it. That's why I gotta stay out of the kitchen.